I set off in the morning really early and got lucky to see my first kangaroo that wasn't a roadkill. Look at him. I owe you an explanation from the previous episode though. What I have experienced was the typical Friday night where the workers from the outback come to little towns, drink anything they see in sight, fight and smash things up. I went to bed early at about 8 o'clock at night and woke up at 10 p.m. with this almighty noise of people shouting, smashing things up and having a fight. You've seen the footage of the breakfast room. It was the first time on my travels that I felt vulnerable. Luckily, all ended very well and I escaped the hotel as early as I could in the morning. It's Sunday, 17th of December, and I am heading towards Combe, ultimately Threadbow. So heading south from day before yesterday of 43 degrees, yesterday to a balmy 31, today 21. It's bloody cold. I've got heated grips on. And I had to pull over because it was getting too chilly. I kid you not. Okay. Thin layer under this mesh jacket should do the trick. Never thought I'd need heated grips in Australia. But I believe in Threadbow the temperature will be even lower. Buh. Delightfully, I found some more gravel tracks up on top of the mountains with no traffic, managed to get my drone out, crashed it into a tree, luckily no consequences and no damage, and just generally enjoyed the smells, the environment, the whole new experience for me. I was on my way to Kuma to meet with Steve. He's one of my LinkedIn contacts and a Ducatista, so he offered to ride for a bit, show me some of the roads, and we were going together to Jindabyne. I love this bit about the travel, that you connect with people through social media and then you get to meet them in person, and we're all helping each other out and everybody's so hospitable and kind. And those experiences are just the ones that always stay with you and are so worth travelling for. Once I stopped faffing with my drone, I carried on to Kuma, met with Steve, we had lunch in a cafe sitting outside, and an old fire engine came past with Santa in it, as you do. A great sight to see. We're looking over Australia's highest mountain range, and you can see there's still snow on the tops. Oh, it's now springtime, so it's slowly melting, slowly melting. And over there we have two Ducati riders I hook up with. They had a little race up here. I slowed down and admired the view. It's, we're on top of Charlotte Pass. Uh-oh. Noisy thing. Day 8 was day off the bike, and I walked up Kosciuszko Mountain, which is the highest mountain in Australia. That was not too strenuous. You get a chairlift to the top, then you follow the wooden walkway, and you get to the summit quite easily. I bumped into a mother and daughter team walking together at the same pace as me, so we chatted for a while. They invited me today as for Christmas. They live in the on the northern shores of Sydney. I declined politely. I had other plans. I was actually climbing the Sydney Bridge on Christmas morning, but it's just another example of the wonderful experiences, the people that you meet when you're traveling, especially when you're traveling solo.